First, find a safe, flat spot away from traffic. Engage your handbrake and activate hazard lights for safety. Gather your tools, the spare wheel, jack, and spanner. Slightly loosen the wheel nuts before lifting the vehicle. Use the jack to raise the car until the flat tire is clear of the ground. Fully unscrew the nuts and remove the flat tire. Position the spare wheel, aligning the holes, then hand tighten the nuts. Slowly lower the car until the wheel touches the ground. Now, fully tighten all wheel nuts with your spanner. Pack away your tools. You've successfully changed a flat tire. Remember to check your spare's pressure at the next petrol station. Fix. Build. Hustle. Every day.